Who do the Jets play? They play Miami. And what's Miami famous for? They're famous for chicharron. And guess what we're making today? Every day cooking. Dad cooking every day. All right, guys. This is going to be a fairly easy one. Got these from Costco, right? They're all cut like about an inch or so, right? And this is going to be easy. And it's got the skin on it. They seem to be pretty clean. And I'm going to take you guys to the next step. All right, guys. So let's just prep these real quick. I'm just going to take a knife and I'm just going to give these a nice little haircut. Just in case, right? Give it a nice little shave. All right, guys. And I'm going to cut these in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut them in little square pieces to the skin, right? And just cut them down. Right, so it looks like this. All right, guys, so we got our pot, right? I'm just gonna hit this water with some salt. I got a few pieces of garlic. Got some bay leaves. And guys, this is not probably traditional, but I'm going in with a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Any flavor we can impart on that pork, I'm going to try and do now, right? All right, guys, I know this is not traditional, but I'm making it my way, right? We got our meat washed off. I'm just going to go in with these. All right, guys, so I'm going to let this come up to a boil, back to a boil. Any scum that comes up to the top, I'm going to take that off. And I'll bring you guys back when we do that. But for 30 minutes, we're going to let this go 30 minutes, 45 minutes, till it softens up. You know, can we kind of stick a fork through? All right, guys, we got some of that stuff floating to the top. So I'm just going to skim some of this off. All right, guys, so it's been about, I'd say 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And this is what we look like. Right? So I'm just going to take these and sit these on a paper towel on a sheet pan just so they could dry off for like the next half hour or so. All right, guys, so we're going to go in with our lard, right? I'll show you guys the meat in a minute. I'll try some fried chicken this way too. All right, guys, and here's our meat. It's all dried up. Right, it's cool to the touch. And this is just going to go in. This is what it looks like. All right, guys, so we're set. We don't want to take this like if we're frying chicken at 350. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit because we're way too high. I'm going to turn this down. Now, the temperature is going to definitely drop once we put the meat in. So let me go ahead and put that meat in. All right, let's see what we're down to. See how we dropped? Whoa. Guys, I'm going to give this a quick spin. I'm going to keep this away from me. I don't want to get popped. See? That's what we're looking like. All right, guys, so this is where we are. We're about 20 minutes in so far. Let's get one of those out of there. And this is what we look like. I'm gonna pull these off. Guys, I'm gonna pull this off. And just put them back on the same paper towels that I was using before. You get a kind of hint when they're done because they're starting to float. You see that? All right, guys, let's take a look. And we are there. Guys, I'm just going to put this on top. All right, guys, another minute has gone by. I think we're almost there. Never made these before. I've had them, but I've never made them. Some of these are puffing up just great. Look at that. I'm going to wait till they're like more golden brown, like how this one's getting. I'm going to go back on with the top. All right, guys, here we go. Here's our chicharrones. All done and ready to eat, guys. Not bad for a first time, right? Not bad at all. All right, guys, let's jump into this. These are still a little warm, right? Look at this. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Guys, this is good. This came out decent. I'm not going to say this is hopping the best thing, but you know what I've seen online where they would dip this in like avocado or dip this in a pico de gallo. I can really see that. You know what else I could do with this? A little bit of hot sauce, right? That's what I see with this, right? I don't know if this is customary, right? But what I'm gonna do here. Your hot sauce just wakes right up. Guys, the meat is not. It could have probably been cooked a little thicker. The meat's a little dry. So you probably are better off buying the whole meat and cut it thicker yourself. Maybe like about 2 of these. Because look at this one. This one's much thicker. Let's give this one a shot. The thicker one does taste much better. But it still needs a little hot sauce. Guys, like, subscribe. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.